Okay, here we are doing a random repair of our Yarbo. So Yarbo sent us this protective coating here, this tube here. We've got this kind of prepped and ready. What we need to do is we need to coat the top of this circuit board here with this protective coating, okay? So what this is gonna do, it's gonna allow us to basically submerge that board in water as if we ever needed to do that. That's gonna be at least 2 inches there. So I guess if you're in a situation where your yard's getting flooded, there's a stream that Yarbo has to cross in your yard during the rain, something to that effect, then this repair becomes necessary. I'm told on the newer models, the 2025, and later 2026, this is all now, this entire inside of Yarbo is going to be protected and closed off, and you're not going to be able to kind of see all the wires and everything that's inside here. So, I got an earlier version, so we have to make this quick repair. So on another video that we linked to our video here, shows you how to kind of do the disassembly of the space here so that you can take Yarbo apart. I've gone a little bit further and taken that actual actuator all the way out by just taking the plug out in addition to the pins, and then I removed this bracket with those 4 screws. Also had to remove this other little bracket that you kind of see up here that has that wire associated with it. So everything's nice and clean now. If you saw the short, it was pretty dirty in here, and so now we're ready to start coating it with the protective coating. So we're gonna pause here. Okay, so we're ready to start applying the protective coating. Going to get that ready here. Off to the side. Hopefully this is ready to go. So we'll give it a shot. So the idea is to squirt this stuff out of here. Sure that I didn't miss a step here. Well, it's trying to come out. Difficult to get it started. Let's try that. Tube that they gave you here and the thing that they give you to depress it on is difficult to handle at first. Takes quite a bit of strength. Get it through the technical difficulty. Stand by with me, guys. Alright, so you can see that little plug of stuff was stuck in here for some reason. Squeezing and squeezing, it would not come out. Now we're back in business. So, why? A little bit different coloring there. I'm just going to start going around each of these wires. If you watched the other guy's video and came back and watched this one, pretty much going to do the same thing he did. J-woes. Okay. So I'm going to go around the outside of each of the wires and make a mess as I go. Can't see, I'm actually back here. Okay. Put a bunch back here. Quite a bit of this epoxy material in the tube. Yarbo wants you to be generous with it, use it up. Get some here on the back side. Plunger mechanism here isn't the best. I'm working with it. Okay. Just trying to terminate that little bit right there. Come back. It's okay to get some on that wire. Let it settle there for a second. Come back over here. It's just a silicone sealant. It's going to keep water and dirt out of this area. Just going to squeeze a bunch here to the center. It does kind of have a self-leveling capability. So, you know, went around all the edges. Some more here in the back. This protective coating, again, only needed on the 2024, maybe older model. I got this Black Friday 2024. Since then, I know they've made modifications to the newer models. This board is not located in the same spot in the newer models. They've lifted it up out of the way. So, Yarbo sent customers this tube of goob and said, hey, go figure this out. So we're doing that now. A little bit of extra waterproofing, protecting doubt it's gonna go all the way around here, but we'll try. All right, it's running over there significantly, which Yarbo says you want it to do. It's running over on the back side. Take that light out of there. I'm not covering the screws. Where things screw in, everything looks like it's got a good, maybe right there. I can hit it right there in the back. Let me try that. Got it good. All right, so here's the part that takes the longest. You need to leave this at temp for 72 hours. So Yarbo is sitting inside my garage, and it is disassembled. It's going to stay disassembled. And that's just going to sit there without disturbance for 72 hours. All right, so hopefully that will prevent any kind of future water damage scenario and keep Yarbo going for years to come. Thanks for watching. Okay, we are back and fully assembled. Hasn't been quite 72 hours, but I went ahead and got everything put back together. You can see the silicone here has set up pretty well. I've done some cleanup on the overflow from front and the back side there. And whatever overflowed back into the lower compartment here, I cleaned it up as best as I could. You know, not being totally picky about, you know, a little bit of residue, but cleaned up as much as I could. So this is back in working order. We've got a little bit more time before we reach 72 hours to let it dry. But then we can put Yarbo's snowblower module back on and get ready for the rest of winter.